We're going to Benji. Yan yung dati naming bahay, guys.
Oh, back up to the county.
Huh?
Back up to the county.
Oh, yeah.
And then also,
Robin's caravan is gone.
yeah.
How about that they don't remove our house still there? I think they're busy doing something. I can call Benji. They removed the door. There. There's still a door there. Tingnan natin, guys, kung makikita natin si Benji kasi saan nandyan si Benji? People in the Philippines. Next, tawagin natin si Benji. Benji! Yata si Benji dyan. Someone's calling you, say. Someone's calling you, Benji. I think he's inside the house. I have bought some treats. Treats there. Ay, ito.
Son,
Hot. Put this. I'll just go out and call him. Ito na siya, guys. Hello, baby. How are you, baby? Hello, baby. Hello, guys. How's it been, Gio? Hello, baby. Hi. Hello. He's fat. He's fat. You're fat now, baby. You say hi to Dada. He's trying to, come on, Mama, let's go inside, he said. Oh, look. Bigay natin yung treats. Binilang ko siya ng treats. Ayan, oh. Get your treats, baby. Get your treats, baby. Come on. Where's the owner? Trespassing ako, trespassing. Owner, Benji's here. Dada, go to Dada. Dada, there's Dada. Here, Dada. Hello, Dada. Hello, Dada. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. He wants the treats, honey. He wants the treats. Oh, here. Wait lang. I need to open. You want the treats there. You want the treats, baby. Picture muna tayo. He's going inside na. I wonder if there's other dog there. There's no one in there. Someone's talking. TV. One more? One more? Come here. He likes that. Knock, knock. Just give this to Benji. I'm good. Hello, baby. This is what. He knows the car, I think. How are you?
Good.
Good.
I had to put him on a diet, he was getting too fat.
Yeah, he's too fat.
I've been feeding him too much.
Ah,
Well, he gives you
that's
that.
good. But
gives you that
he
sad
likes,
look.
yeah, he likes to run
Look
around.
over there.
Yeah, Dada is there, oh. Dada's there.
Yeah, see old dad. Hi guys, dito tayo sa IGA, dito sa Moore Park. It's been a while na, hindi tayo nakapunta dito.
So, hindi kami lumabas kahapon kasi tamad na tamad akong kumilos. Parang gusto ko lang nakahiga. Nanonood ng mga series not like sa YouTube. And then, yun, sabi ko sa kanya kanina, since maganda yung weather, kasi kahapon na ulan-ulan. So, since sabi ko sa kanya, pagkagising na around 10 o'clock, sabi ko, punta kaya tayo Moore Park, mag-drive tayo dun sa beach. Sabi niya, sige. Sinipag naman siyang lumabas. Kaya, ito kami ngayon. So, dinaanan na rin namin at the same time si Benji. Kasi tagal na namin hindi nakapunta dun. Kaya, tayo ngayon, tingin lang tayo ng something time basket. So, wala pa rin changes dito. Ganun pa rin. May music, guys. Panang actor. So, ito yung lugar nila dito. Wala kong pandesal. So, yung mga kinukuha ko, wala na naman yung sa listahan. Meron silang means. Kailangan kong pork means. May baboy pa ako doon, may chicken. Kailangan ko sana pork means. Tuna, wala sila. Meron ako doon. Tuna. Tuna pa siya kasi doon. Tapos ice cream kaya kami. Turn tayo ng pagkain nila. Wala ako ng bird seed. Caramel. Ano yung caramel yun? Chocolate Bavarian. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga ganyan, guys. Si Richard lang. At saka ayoko yung may Bavarian sa gitna. Mas gusto ko yung ano, yung plain lang na kwan. Hopefully meron sila rito. Yan, salmon. Kaya lang hindi siya ano. Skin on. Merong ano, salmon na gusto ni Habi. Kaya lang kwan. Ito kaya. Skin off. Salmon dito. Skin off. Meron dito taas. Frozen. May pizza. Pwede ako mag-pizza ng may pineapple. Walang ano eh. May pineapple. Kiss and bacon. Kailangan ko pagkain ni Lucky. Yun talaga yung pinunta natin dito. Bago to, try natin. Ito yung gusto niya kasi tuna eh, walang malaki. Tignan mo, 5 lang dito. Ito yung gusto niya. Ay. Mura dito. Aray ko. Mura dito yung pagkain. Hirapan ako guys. Kunin ko lang itong puro kailangan yung ating kinuha. Tapos sabi ko titingin ako ng yung ano dish. Ito dish. Ito taro. Bumili ng something that I can eat while there sa Moore Park. Napringles ko yun. Kailangan ko ng biscuits. Biscuit dito. Mayroon ditong ano. Something that I can eat. My gosh, it's too heavy. Hello. Hindi na ako guys. So, let's go na. Wala na ako makita. Dahil kong binili. Alright ka. Kaya na, let's go. Welcome sa Moore Park ha. Guys, nandito na kami sa Coral Isle Coastway Pathway. Ayan. So, ano na ngayon? It's almost magto 2 o'clock na ng hapon. Kasi nga late na kami umalis sa bahay, almost past 12 na. Kaya ayan, pero gusto pa rin maglalakad ni Happy. Tingnan nyo naman yung lalakaran namin, napakainit. Kakaiba tong asawa ko kasi may sarili siyang oras sa paglalakad niya. Kaya minsan hindi umaakma talaga sa schedule ko. Kung alam niyo yun, kailan pahinga mo na. Kung kailan na ubos na yung energy mo, ganun pa lang siya gaganaan. So, ito yung pangalan ng pinaka-park. Ayan. Calanduli Park. Ayan. So, nandito tayo sa dulo ng Moore Park Beach. Yung talagang pinaka-tourist spot is nandun sa pinaka-main entrance dun sa dulo. Mama, oh. Stop ang buhay ng mama dyan. There's a barbecue over there. It's dirty. There's ants. So, magpipictorial kami. Ayun yung beach, guys. That's the beach. Lapit tayo dun later. I will tour you down there. Oh, there's a chair also there. So, yun yung beach. Ayan na guys, ang beach. It's been a while. A while. Maraming holes dito. Parang maraming nilalang nasa ilalim. Ang daming holes. Oh. May mga crabs siguro. Ayan na, holes. So, may mga tao doon. Ayan na. May nagpipiknik sa baba. Yung beach. Beach. Ang ganda, payapa ang dagat. Pero ganda guys. Sarap maligo. High tide na yan, hanggang dito na yung tubig. Nakita nyo ba yan? Yan, ganyan yung water. Pero ngayon kasi low tide. Yan. So magpipictorial lang ako. Tagal namin di nakapunta dito ni Polar Bear. Actually ako din, before diba dito ako nag-walking exercise. So since nakakasama ko nga si Stewart, ayun, nag-botanical. So wait, tumatawag si Bunso. Guys, may dala kaming tinapay, sliced bread, tasty kumbaga. So ayan, hindi lang kami nagme-merienda, pati sila. Yung ibang ibon lumipad kasi may mga ayun, may mga nagtaong dumating. Yan, may mga taong dumating kaya hiya yung mga ibon. I don't know kung anong klaseng ibon yan. Eat it all, ha? You bring it to your babies. Bring it to your babies. Oh. Nililipad yung ano namin, mga food namin sa lakas ng hangin. So, tapos na ako maglagalag, mag-pictorial. Balikan na natin si Polar Bear. For sure, naiinip na yan. Yan lang ang ano ko sa kanya. Kasi, mainipin yan. Full! No birds now. Where are they? They're gone. They're gone. Ang quiet. Pero may mga ilang nagsiswimming, mga kids, tsaka yung... Pero pauwi na sila kasi mainit na. Sobrang init. So, hata-hata. Pagkain namin. Water lang. Ayan. I'm so...
You look